Hey guys, Dan here from VidderTech, and today I've got a new unboxing for you. So I've been on the hunt over the past month for a brand new camera. The one I'm using right now is the Canon T7i. So now I've been in the market for a brand new camera. And the one that I've landed on that I'm unboxing today is the Canon EOS M50. I'm really excited about this one. I've been looking for a mirrorless camera for a while now, just alone for the fact that they're smaller and lightweight. Really excited to see if it holds up to what I'm currently using. And of course, it's more of a budget camera, so I got a great deal on it. And as well, this is a holiday bundle. So it does come with the camera bag and it comes with the memory card as well. So really excited to dive into this. Let's get into it. All right, so let's just dive right in. And here we've got the M50 box. And of course, Canon camera bag. All right, so we'll start here with this. It's a really nice design. It's not just like a standard black bag by any means. It's gray. It's got kind of a textured finish to it. So this says Canon Mini Messenger Bag. Holds one mirrorless camera body with attached lens and one additional lens, rugged water-resistant nylon material, carrying handle for easy transport, fully padded camera component, front and side accessory components for lens cap, memory card, and spare battery, shoulder strap with adjustable length, and its color is gray. So you can see in the front here we've got this pouch, and it's just Velcroed in there. You can see in the front we have another pouch here. It's got like a neon green kind of finish on the inside. It's a bit vibrant. We've got the straps here. And then there we go. On the inside we've got the spot for the camera and then the additional lens as well. All right, so here we go, the EOS M50. Really excited about this. I'm used to a much bulkier camera. Obviously the T7i is just a standard DSLR. It's massive. But this has a lot of the same specs, if not better. This is supposed to be more comparable to the T8i, which is an upgrade from what I'm currently using. So let's just get into it. It says on the front here, download the Canon Coach app for free. I'm imagining that will just give you details on how to use this camera, as it's got a lot of advanced features in it. We've got 24.1 megapixels, dual pixel autofocus. Apparently it has a lot of points that it can lock onto, so I'm really excited to test that out in video. And it also comes with Wi-Fi and NFC Bluetooth as well. So a lot of wireless functions here. All right. So we open the box and right away we get this 32 gig SD card that comes with this, speed up to 80 megabytes per second. And here's just a little postcard about the Canon Coach app. So here it says, in just minutes a day, you'll learn how to use your camera's advanced features. We've got our standard warranty information. And wow, a much larger manual than I expected. To be fair, it does have 3 languages. It's English, Spanish, and French. But that is quite thick. Maybe I'm just used to Apple products where you just have something that's essentially this size. Registering your new product. And then we open this. We've got the standard Canon strap that comes with all of these. We've got the battery here. I haven't heard great things about this. I've actually heard that you will need multiple batteries. It's really only going to last about half an hour of recording straight through. So I'm definitely going to need to buy a couple more batteries for this. And there we are. Wow, this thing is tiny. It's in all the bubble wrap, you can tell. All right, we'll just set that aside. And here we have the battery charger as well. And then if we open this, just keeps on going. We have the actual camera lens in here. All right, so the camera itself, this is actually much smaller than I anticipated. It's very, very small here. It's got the cap on it, obviously. Everything you'd expect in terms of the buttons here with zoom, info, your autofocus, manual focus, flash, menu. It's got your viewfinder here. On the top, we've got all of our adjustable configurations. Video recording, shutter button. On the right side here, we have HDMI, and of course our USB, a wireless button. I'm assuming just to toggle wireless with the click of a button. And on the left side here, we do have the mic. I actually think this mic is strangely placed because if you see here, when we do go to open this, I'm assuming it rotates. Yeah, see, so you're going to hit the microphone as you go to turn that. You'd think they would put it somewhere like up here where it's not actually going to interfere with the rotation of the screen. And that does turn all the way around and reverses there as well. And on the bottom, we've got the spot for our SD card that's just tucked away in there, as well as the battery. All right, so let's put this stuff in. So we've got the battery here. And we've got the SD card. All right, so in the bottom here, just open that. Clicks right in. And then, of course, the battery. There we go, the light comes on, so it's acknowledging that the battery is there. .15 to 45 millimeter. Okay, so it's got the white line here that just lines up, and then it clicks into place just like that. And there we have it. And right away, of course, it says change the battery pack. So we can't actually show you this yet. We're gonna have to charge it up a little bit. All right, guys, so stay tuned for my upcoming review on this. I'm gonna be using it for my next couple of videos going forward. Really excited to try it out. Form factor so far feels really nice. It's very lightweight, very small, sleek, and I'm really excited to dive into it. Let me know in the comments what you wanna see on this camera. I'm gonna be doing a couple of videos on it as well. Always hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button to see more from me, and I'll see you in the next one.